goes the power. I guess that's it for the night.
Little did I know that for the next 2 days I'd be finding to keep my fridge cold and my house warm. New Brunswick was hit with a massive ice storm, and literally hundreds of thousands of households were without power, some for over a week. I ended up finding an old generator in Kijiji, jerry-rigged my natural gas furnace, and at least was able to warm up the house and keep the fridge plugged in. The kids loved it though, and they were running around with flashlights the whole time, even after the power finally came back on. It was a good reminder of how blessed we are and how much we rely on the electrical grid. Anyways, back to making chips. So these were the final pieces, all done. And you'll notice one of them is a little bit longer because I made a little mistake, so I ended up cutting it off in the end. This is the original one that I made him after, and I'm pretty happy with him.